Okay, so guys, are you finding it difficult to receive calls on your Android phone? Then I get you covered in this video. A lot of people were, commenting in my other video that they can't receive calls on their phone. So I decided to do this video for you guys. So what you have to first check is your connection. You have to check whether your cell network connection is active. And first of all, you have to also go to settings to check whether your SIM card is really active on your device. So you have to check this. What you also have to check is you have to just go to your notification bar and check whether your phone is on airplane mode or not. So when it's on airplane mode, then remove it because you are not going to receive calls when your device is on airplane mode. You also have to check whether your SIM is really registered. If it's not really registered, you are not going to receive calls from other people. So you have to check your, network customer care. So you have to go to your network customer care to get it fixed. First of all, if you also find it difficult to receive calls when you're using an Android phone, first of all, go to your settings. When you go to your settings, what you have to do is to just scroll down. So when you scroll down, go to system, and when you go to system, tap on the system update to update your system. Yes, this is very important. If you do this, everything is going to work successfully. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and please, if you have any question, just let me know in my comment section. So as you're watching this video and you are new over here on this channel, just tap on the subscribe button to favor me by following me. I'll be also bringing you more updates. So let me know in the comment section your problem, and I promise you I'm going to fix every problem for you. Thanks very much for watching this video once again. Thank you for clicking on it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.